Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80072F30, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. And this issue is not with the Microsoft Store, it is with your internet connection. So we need to check the internet connection before anything else. Go to this website fast.com and hit enter, and you can check the internet speed here. Is it good enough to sustain a download from the Microsoft Store or not? The second is to sync the date, time and time zone, and it's very easy. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side, select date and time, check all these three boxes for set time zone automatically, set time automatically and show time. Click on sync now and wait till you get a tick here. Wait for a few seconds. Tick means problem solved. If this doesn't solve your problem, then you can run the network troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the network troubleshooter. The next solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ws reset and hit enter. And this will restore the Microsoft Store cache. And lastly, check the status of Windows Update related services. Search for services in the Windows search bar and open services. Scroll down to the Windows Update service. Right click on it and then select restart if it is already started. And similarly, there's another service called Background Intelligence Transfer Service. Right click on it and select start, or if it is started, then restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.